Have you ever felt like you're on the sidelines of this whole AI revolution? You see all this cool stuff happening, but it all seems so complicated or stuck behind a pricey subscription. Well, not anymore. Today, we're going to unlock 5 seriously powerful AI tools that you can start using right now for free. This is your chance to get all that creative and productive power, and it's all right at your fingertips.
I mean, really, just stop and think about that for a second. What if you could dream up some incredible art for your projects, whip up a whole essay in just a few minutes, or get hours of audio transcribed with a single click and not pay a single cent for it? Well, guess what? You can, and we're about to show you exactly how.
All right, here's the game plan. First, we're going to build out your all-in-one AI toolbox with a site called TinyWow. Then, we'll let your inner artist run wild with Leonardo AI. After that, you're going to learn how to talk to AI like a pro with Cowboy. Then we'll save ourselves a ton of time with Riverside's transcription tool. And finally, we'll talk about what's next. So let's get into it. Okay, first on our list is a tool I like to call the Swiss Army knife of free AI. It's called TinyWow, and trust me, it's the absolute perfect place to start if you just want to see what all the fuss is about with AI. So picture this. TinyWow is this massive, totally free website that's just jam-packed with over 200 different tools. A huge chunk of these are now AI-powered, and they're built to help you write and create all sorts of content. And you know the best part? You don't even have to sign up. You just go and use it.
The variety here is it's wild. We're talking more than 50 different AI writing tools alone. Need to write an essay? It's got you covered. Need to shrink a long article down to the key points? There's a summarizer for that. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel, it'll even help you write the script. Here's a little tip. Try mixing them together. Use the business name generator to find a cool name, then pop that name into the article writer to create a whole brand story. It's like a one-stop shop for getting stuff done.
And getting started couldn't be easier. Seriously, you just go to the website, click on the tool you want, and you're good to go. That's a massive win for anyone who just wants to play around with AI without committing to creating another account.
Okay, so we've got our Do Everything tool. Now let's add a specialist to the mix. If you have any interest at all in creating amazing, totally original art, you have to know about Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a platform that's all about creativity. It brings your visual ideas to life. All you do is type in a description, we call that a text prompt, and its AI will generate these stunningly high-quality images, textures, you name it. It's perfect for making custom art for your social media, a presentation, or, just for the fun of it. Now, what makes this thing so special is its power and flexibility. You can actually choose from different AI models to get the exact style you're going for. But the real game changer, especially if you're new to this, is a feature called Prompt Enhance. It takes your simple idea and just boofs it up, automatically making it way more descriptive so the AI knows exactly what to create.
And this right here is a perfect example. You could just type in something simple like Darth Vader riding a horse. But with Prompt Enhance turned on, Leonardo turns that into this whole epic scene. The final image you get is just, wow. It does all the hard work of writing a great prompt for you.
So, you're probably wondering, what's the catch? Well, it's free. You get 150 of what they call fast tokens every single day to make images. That is more than enough to create dozens of incredible pictures. The only thing to remember is that they reset every day, so you can't save them up. Use them or lose them. Okay, so we've seen an AI that can improve our prompts for us. But what if we want to get really good at writing prompts for any text AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini? Well, that's where our next tool, Prompt Cowboy, rides in. Here's the thing about AI. The quality of what you get out is 100% based on the quality of the prompt you put in. Prompt Cowboy is this awesome free utility that takes your simple idea and explodes it into a perfectly structured, super detailed prompt. It pretty much guarantees you're going to get way better results from whatever chatbot you're using. And using it is so simple. You type in your idea, something like write an essay about the Industrial Revolution. Then you pick the prompt type. Standard is almost always the one you want, and you click Generate. Bam! It spits out this amazing, detailed prompt that you can just copy and paste right into ChatGPT. The difference in the results is night and day. Now, this tool is totally free to use, but there's one tiny thing to know. After you've made your first 4 prompts, it'll ask you to create a free account to keep going. Honestly, it's a super small step for a tool that's going to make your AI interactions so much better. All right, we've learned how to talk to AI. Now let's check out a tool that helps AI listen to us.
And let me tell you, this next one is an absolute game changer for anyone who deals with audio or video files. We're talking about instant, accurate transcription from a tool by Riverside.
So, Riverside has this completely free tool that uses AI to take your audio or video and just turn it right into a written text transcript. If you're a student recording a lecture, a journalist doing an interview, or a creator who needs captions, this is going to be your new best friend.
And the features here are just fantastic. It is 100% free, and again, no login required. It supports over 100 different languages, it works with all the common file types, and get this, it claims 99% accuracy. That's professional level quality and it costs you nothing.
And the process is just dead simple. You upload your file, pick the language, do one of those quick "I'm not a robot" checks, and then you just download your transcript. This can literally save you hours, maybe even days of mind-numbing typing.
So far, we've covered 4 incredible free tools that can completely change how you work and create. But hey, before we wrap this up, I've got one more bonus tool for you, and let's think about what comes next.
So, if you thought TinyWow was cool, you should definitely bookmark another site called Superfile.ai. As you can see here, it's pretty similar. It's a collection of free online tools. While TinyWow is a bit bigger and really shines with its AI writing tools, Superfile has its own unique set of over 50 utilities, and it's especially great for converting files. Think of it as the perfect companion to have in your toolkit.
So there you go. Your AI toolkit just got a major upgrade. You now have a powerful, free set of tools for writing, for art, for productivity, you name it. So the real question is, now that you have these super tools, what are you going to create first? The possibilities, and I mean this, are absolutely endless. Thanks for tuning in,